Chicken breast is a lean protein source that's low in calories and saturated fat. It's rich in essential nutrients like niacin, which supports metabolism, and selenium, which acts as an antioxidant. Chicken breast can be cooked in various ways, including grilling, baking, sautéing, or poaching. Season it with herbs, spices, and marinades to add flavour without extra calories. Turkey breast is another lean protein option that's particularly popular during holiday meals, but can be enjoyed year-round. It's high in protein, low in fat, and provides essential nutrients like vitamin B6 and zinc. Turkey breast can be roasted, grilled, or slow-cooked for tenderness. Use leftover turkey breast in sandwiches, salads, or wraps for a satisfying meal. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are not only rich in protein, but also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Fish can be grilled, baked, broiled, or pan-seared for a quick and delicious meal. Serve it with steamed vegetables and a whole grain like quinoa or brown rice for a balanced plate. Greek yogurt is strained to remove excess whey, resulting in a thicker, creamier texture and higher protein content compared to regular yogurt. It's also lower in carbohydrates and sugar, making it a popular choice for those following low-carb or ketogenic diets. Greek yogurt can be enjoyed plain or flavoured with honey, fruit, or nuts. It's also a versatile ingredient in recipes, from smoothies and parfaits to sauces and dips. Cottage cheese is a curd cheese with a mild flavour and soft texture. It's rich in casein protein, which is digested slowly, helping you feel full and satisfied for longer periods. Cottage cheese can be eaten on its own or paired with fruit, vegetables, or whole grain crackers for a balanced snack. It's also a versatile ingredient in recipes such as lasagna, pancakes, or salads. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. They're rich in choline, which supports brain health, as well as lutein and zeaxanthin, which promote eye health. Eggs can be prepared in countless ways, including scrambled, boiled, poached, or baked. Enjoy them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner as part of a balanced meal with vegetables and whole grains. Lentils are a type of legume that's rich in protein, fibre, and essential nutrients like folate, iron, and potassium. They're also low in fat and calories, making them a filling yet weight-loss-friendly food. Lentils come in various colours and sizes, including green, brown, red, and black, each with its own unique flavour and texture. Cook lentils into soups, stews, salads, or veggie burgers for a nutritious and satisfying meal. Tofu, made from soybeans, is a versatile plant-based protein source commonly used in vegetarian and vegan diets. It's rich in all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Tofu has a mild flavour and a soft, custard-like texture that absorbs the flavours of other ingredients. It can be stir-fried, grilled, baked, or blended into smoothies for added protein. Try marinating tofu in your favourite sauce or seasoning before cooking for extra flavour. Edamame are young soybeans that are harvested before they fully mature. They're rich in protein, fibre, and various vitamins and minerals, including folate, vitamin K, and manganese. Edamame can be boiled or steamed and served as a snack or appetizer. You can also add them to salads, stir-fries, or grain bowls for extra protein and texture. Quinoa is a gluten-free pseudo-grain that's also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's rich in fibre, vitamins, and minerals, including magnesium, iron, and zinc. Quinoa has a nutty flavour and a fluffy texture that works well in a variety of dishes, from salads and pilafs to soups and breakfast bowls. Cook quinoa with broth or seasoning to enhance its flavour, and serve it as a base for protein-rich meals topped with vegetables and lean meats or tofu.